Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be removing and replacing park light bulb and the whole assembly on Mercedes CLK. This one will be the W208 or E-Class. I think it will be the same as well. The W210, which is from 95 to 2002. So that's the light I'm talking about right here. Okay, you can see this one. So stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to do that now quick. And many more videos on this Mercedes, guys. So if you have something like that, please subscribe and we'll try to help you as much as we can. Okay guys, so we're using just a plastic trim removal tool. We have the link on our website, Mechanic Lifestyle, to Amazon if you need to buy anything. We share the links for the products we use. So you're going to get it here, push towards the front and pull the rear end out. Okay, you can see how it goes. And next, this is the bulb right here. So in order to remove it, you need to twist, okay, like that, and pull it out. So this is the park light now, this is the assembly, as you can see right here. And if you want to replace the bulb only, you grab it and pull it, but careful not to break in your fingers. And this is the bulb itself. So pretty simple, you get a new one, all you have to do, just push it in. Okay, then you get it on the light. Okay, perfect, you go towards the front now and push the back in. Okay, until it clicks. So that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.